There are quite a number of people that believe that a GNU/Linux system is hard to use for beginners. Installing software is a problem. Let me tell you how difficult it is to install software on GNU/Linux without a GUI. So we do have a GUI on Linux, and so in Windows you have to go and you have to search for a site, download the exe, and then you need to install the exe and search for the directory where you want to install the application. This is how you install an application on Linux. Sudo pacman is my package manager, and I'll hit S, which means sync, and then I'll say Audacity. So I was installing Audacity. I thought that I should basically just show this to you. And now it's going to say, do you want to install it? Yes. And after it's downloaded, which is going to take a few seconds, and then we are done. And there you go. There's the install. That's it.